unlock stronger muscles and cramp-free nights after 60, starting today. Have you ever been jolted awake at night by a sharp, painful cramp in your leg, or felt your muscles stiffen just when you needed them the most? If you're over 60, you are not alone. Muscle cramps, stiffness, and weakness are surprisingly common, but they are not just random signs of aging. There are real, natural solutions that can help you move freely again, starting with what you eat. Today, we are diving into the top 3 superfoods that can protect your muscles, soothe painful cramps, and help you regain strength and confidence every day. And before we begin, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, because at Secrets to Longevity, we are here to help you stay strong, active, and thriving through every chapter of life. Now, let us begin this journey towards stronger muscles and cramp-free nights. As we grow older, our bodies change in ways that can sometimes feel frustrating and confusing. One common issue many people over 60 experience is muscle cramping, those sudden sharp pains that seem to strike out of nowhere, often at night. Along with cramps, you might also notice your muscles feeling weaker, stiffer, or slower to recover after simple activities like walking, gardening, or even getting out of bed. And while it is easy to assume these changes are just part of aging, the real story is a bit deeper. Muscle cramps and weakness are not inevitable. They are often signs that your body is missing something vital. Essential nutrients that support muscle function, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. Over time, small deficiencies in certain vitamins and minerals can quietly chip away at your strength, making cramps more frequent and movement more challenging. But here is the good news. By giving your body the right support through smart nutrition, you can significantly reduce cramps, boost your muscle power, and reclaim the freedom to move with ease and confidence. You do not need complicated treatments or expensive supplements. Often the right foods, simple familiar foods, hold the keys to keeping your muscles healthy, strong, and pain-free. In today's video, we will explore 3 powerhouse foods that are packed with the critical nutrients your body needs most after 60. These are not trendy superfoods that are hard to find or hard to afford. They are everyday essentials that can easily become part of your meals. And they have the potential to change how you feel every single day. We will also talk about how each of these foods works inside your body, why seniors are especially vulnerable to nutrient deficiencies, and practical tips to make sure you are getting enough to truly make a difference. So stay with me, because understanding this could be the first small step toward bigger energy, fewer nighttime cramps, and a stronger, more vibrant you. Let's dive in, starting with one of nature's most complete foods, one that offers a powerful combination of protein, vitamin D, and nerve-protecting B12, all in one simple package. Part 1. Eggs. The surprising power of a familiar food. When it comes to muscle health after 60, many people immediately think of supplements or difficult exercise routines. But sometimes the solution lies in something much simpler. One of the easiest superfoods you can add to your daily meals is something you probably already have at home: eggs. Eggs are not just a complete protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids needed to maintain and rebuild muscle. They are also packed with other critical nutrients. After 60, the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. Eating enough high-quality protein from natural foods like eggs helps slow this decline, preserving strength and reducing the risk of painful muscle cramps. But that's just the beginning. Eggs are also a natural source of vitamin D, a nutrient vital for calcium absorption and healthy muscle function. Vitamin D deficiency is extremely common in older adults, largely because of reduced sun exposure, and it can lead to cramps, muscle aches, and declining strength. One large egg provides about 40 IU of vitamin D. While that may seem small compared to the recommended 800-1000 IU per day, adding eggs to your diet, along with other vitamin D-rich foods like fortified dairy or fatty fish, can make a big difference in preventing muscle cramps and supporting overall strength. And let's not forget, eggs also deliver a good amount of vitamin B12, essential for nerve health. A lack of B12 can disrupt nerve signaling, leading to cramps, tingling, numbness, and muscle weakness, issues that become more common with age. So eating about 6 to 7 eggs per week, combined with a balanced and varied diet, is a simple yet powerful strategy to keep your legs strong, your muscles resilient, and those frustrating cramps at bay. Starting today, make your meals simpler and smarter by adding 1 high-quality egg a day to your plate. Sometimes it's the easiest changes that create the biggest transformations. Part 2. Bananas, the simple secret to stronger muscles. Approx 2 minutes 40s, 2 minutes 50s of video. When it comes to natural remedies for muscle cramps, few foods are as accessible, effective, and delicious as bananas. Not only are they easy to enjoy, but bananas are also a nutritional powerhouse that naturally supports muscle health, especially for seniors. Bananas are rich in potassium, the key mineral that helps maintain electrolyte balance and supports healthy nerve and muscle function. When your potassium levels drop, your risk of painful nighttime cramps increases, disrupting your sleep and leaving you exhausted the next morning. One medium banana provides about 420 milliliters of potassium, covering roughly 12% of your daily needs. Just 1 or 2 bananas a day can make a big difference in supporting your nerves and muscles. But potassium is just the beginning. Bananas are also a great source of magnesium, another critical mineral that helps muscles relax and recover after activity. Magnesium ensures that nerve signals are transmitted smoothly, allowing muscles to contract and release properly, minimizing those painful spasms. What makes bananas an even greater superfood for seniors is their ability to support hydration. They naturally provide water content along with healthy carbohydrates, clean energy that your body needs even more as you age. And there's more. Bananas are packed with vitamin B6, a vital nutrient for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Deficiency in B6 can lead to muscle weakness, tingling, and yes, more frequent cramping. One banana delivers nearly 30% of your daily B6 needs, an impressive gift from such a humble fruit. For even greater benefits, pair bananas with water or coconut water, 2 fantastic natural sources of hydration. This combination not only replenishes vital minerals, but also helps prevent dehydration, another common hidden cause of muscle cramps. Just one small habit, adding a banana to your breakfast or afternoon snack, can significantly strengthen your muscles, reduce cramping risk, and elevate your daily energy and freedom. Bananas, simple, sweet, and a natural shield for your muscles. One delicious bite at a time. Part 3. Nuts and Seeds, Nature's Treasure Chest for Stronger Muscles. If bananas are the kings of potassium, then nuts and seeds are the hidden treasures, packed with magnesium and healthy fats, 2 essential allies that keep your muscles working smoothly and protect against painful cramps. Magnesium is the mineral responsible for helping your muscles relax after they contract, When magnesium levels drop, muscles can become overly excitable, leading to sudden, painful cramps, especially during the night. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds each day can provide up to 40% of your daily magnesium needs. An impressive boost from such a simple snack. But that's not all. Nuts like almonds, cashews, and walnuts also deliver potassium, reinforcing your body's electrolyte balance and helping muscles function properly. Plus, they offer omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, nutrients that improve blood flow, reduce muscle inflammation, and speed up recovery after physical activity. Adding nuts and seeds to your daily routine is easy. Sprinkle them over salads, stir them into yogurt, or simply enjoy them as a healthy, satisfying snack. Just remember, moderation is key. Around 1 ounce per day is the sweet spot, enough to capture all the benefits without overloading on calories. Such a small, simple habit, practiced daily and mindfully, can lead to lasting improvements in muscle health, flexibility, and mobility well into your golden years. Because every handful is not just food, it's fuel for a stronger, freer, and more vibrant life. You see, sometimes the simplest solutions bring the greatest strength. 1 egg in the morning, 1 banana at lunch, a small handful of nuts in the afternoon. Just these small changes can dramatically reduce cramps, strengthen your muscles, and fill your body with vibrant energy every single day. Remember, taking care of your body doesn't have to be complicated. It starts with small choices, choosing to love yourself a little more every day through simple, meaningful meals. If you found today's information helpful, don't forget to tap the like button to support the channel. And hit subscribe with the notification bell, because there are so many more simple yet powerful health secrets waiting for you in the next videos. And please, share this video with your friends and loved ones, the ones you want to walk alongside on this journey toward living healthier, happier, and more fully every single day. See you in the next video.